Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex and today's word is backup, a C1 level noun meaning a copy or reserve. Backup refers to something kept in reserve as a substitute or support. It's a vital concept in our everyday lives. So, if we consider synonyms, we can think of words like reserve, for example, always keep a reserve of cash for emergencies, or safeguard, like a firewall is a digital safeguard against viruses, or even substitute. He was a substitute teacher while the other was sick. Now, if we want to think about antonyms, we could use original, as in the original document was lost, or primary, like my primary focus is on finishing this task, or even main, as in the main goal is to have fun. You can see how these words have opposite meanings from backup. You might use backup in daily conversation like, I have a backup plan or I need to back up my computer files. You can also hear it in common expressions such as, he is our backup player. Some usage examples of backup include, I have a backup of all my photos on an external drive, or we need a backup generator in case of a power outage, or the team needed a backup quarterback after the injury. So, in summary, backup means a copy or reserve, is essential to have, and has many uses from your computer to sports. Thanks for joining me on today's episode. If you like what you heard, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. That helps others find the show. And lastly, please create your own sentence about backup and share it as a comment under the video.